What's going on, you guys? It's BlazeTech, and I apologize if you can hear the fan or people talking, and that I've only got one hand now because I haven't got a tripod because I'm in the middle of moving, so that's fun. But today we have the ROG Xenomorph, Zephyrus, however you like to pronounce it, and we are pretty much going to be doing unboxing and first impressions of this. Now I picked this up yesterday and well, I've not had a chance to unbox it. So first of all, you got the ROG logo, and unfortunately my box has a few nicks and dinks because I was moving and now it's been all scratched up. And as you can see, you have this kind of bubbly looking package, and down the bottom, nothing special, a few barcodes and ROG Zephyrus. And going to the side, nothing special. Going to the other side, as you can see, you got some more logos, ROG Zephyrus, and a big dink on my box. And as you can see, this is the GA503Q, and I picked this up at good old JB Hi-Fi. And if we look on the back, there's really nothing. So we are going to actually open it and see what is up. And as well, for probably next week or later on this week, I'm going to be doing a video on the NT-USB Rode microphone, which is a upgrade for me from the Audio-Technica but AT2020 XLR mic. So hopefully this is good, because this is going to be my setup, as I don't have my desktop computer anymore. That's back at home. But yeah, let's actually see how we do, and remember, keep on watching. As well as if you actually like this video, remember to like, as well as if you want to actually get this laptop, and I'll probably be starting a dedicated channel doing gaming benchmarks or whatever you request on another channel, and if I can, I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check out how it does in like Bioshock Infinite, for example, or a new Battlefield game or Call of Duty game or whatever. You can go check that out on my new channel for this specific laptop. But other than that, let's see how it goes. And before I forget, this one comes with 6GB of VRAM, comes with the AMD R9 5900HS with a 512GB PCIe SSD with 16GB of RAM. It's got Wi-Fi, it's got USB 3, it's got two of them, and it's got two USB-Cs, and comes with Windows 10 and a GTX 1050, I believe. But we can just check it out on CPU Z, which pretty much gives you a whole rundown on everything. So I'm going to boot it up and let's see how it goes. Some dang big writing. ROG Republic of Gamers, iconic gamers joint. Okay. Dang, this thing is actually pretty big. Oh, what's cool is if you actually push up, the gaming laptop pushes up. Now I'm actually gonna grab it out because I can't do this with one hand. Now underneath the laptop it actually comes with a little case, so we're gonna open it, and definitely sounds like there's something in it. And pretty much it's just getting some instruction booklets, as well as a, I guess you can say, mini guide on how to actually use this laptop, but I will not need to use that because I'm smart. And after checking the box, there's actually nothing left in the box, so all that's left is the laptop. Okay, so I accidentally made a mistake. This power cable, as well as this block and this charger at the end, is actually all a part of the box that the ROG PC or laptop actually comes in, and it just charges by a standard. And on the laptop, as you can see where the hole is, you just plug it in here and you are pretty much good to go. Now if we actually flip this over to the other side, as we can see, it is a 200-watt charger, and it goes up to 20 volts, and it's pretty much an AC adapter which connects to your laptop, so you know, use it if you need a charge, obviously. So this is actually the laptop here, and as you can see, it's the Republic of Gamers, estimated 2006. And if we actually flip it over, as we can see, Republic of Gamers USB-C charging. It's got liquid metal thermal compound, crystal surround sound, 3D mic array, dual force cancelling woofers, two-way AI noise cancellation, the best laptop winner of 2020, brand, sorry. The ROG Zephyrus G15 game for anything 7nm x86 mobile CPU and 144 Hz adaptive sync. Now this is actually a good upgrade for me, because back at my home in my state I've actually got a BenQ gaming monitor and I believe it's only 60 Hz, so I've actually never gone a chance to actually play above the 60 Hz. So going from 60 to 244 Hz, I am pretty sure I'm going to see a pretty big difference, but we're going to see how that goes. Also, before I actually go ahead and actually, I guess, reveal the laptop, I bought this on a Black Friday deal, and I believe I bought it for about 2,500 Australian dollars, so about 2,000-ish US dollars, which was the Black Friday deal, plus I used my credit card, so I got like a 5% cashback. So altogether, I think I saved about $650. So if you want to, by the time this is up, Black Friday deals should still be a thing, so if you want to go pick it up, then you can check out the link in the description below. It would really mean a lot to me if you actually go and pick this up if you want to, because I will receive a commission, and yeah, very cool. So actually feeling the laptop, it's got a kind of matte slash glossy feel on this side, and over here it's very bumpy. I feel like this will be a little bit of a concern, because since there's a micro hose, you can definitely get dust in here even if you try to keep it super clean. A little bit annoying, but hey, that's what it is, right? Then turning it to one side, over here you got two USB-Cs, a hyper fast USB slot here, a Ethernet port, a HDMI port, a DCIN, which might be the charger, I believe, or it might be this one. However, you know, this might be one too, but we'll find out. And you got vents over here, and if we flip to the back, more ventilation across here, and if we go to the other side, we have another USB port here, a micro SD card slot here, some more ventilation, and I am never sure what this is. Someone please tell me. I think it's a thing to actually lock your device permanently. However, in comments below, mention what this is, because I totally forgot. Now actually opening it up, as we can see, this is a nice 17-inch display. That's me in the background. And if you look closely, if we close the lid, and if we look to the side, we can see that's closed, and as it's opening, you can see that it actually raises. So this can actually help with heat dissipation, as well as your keyboard. Instead of typing like this, you're more typing like this, so it's an actual more comfortable layout for your wrist. And along the back, we actually have some more heating and a nice 17-inch display, and some, I believe, tactile keys, the good old power button there, and we've got volume up, volume down, microphone, as well as, I'm not sure what this is, but this could be a setup thing or for RGB. And as you can see, it is Ryzen 5009 with a GeForce 3050, and it is a RTX. Now this will be the first time actually booting this up, so if I bring it a little bit closer. Okay, unfortunately we do not have power, so I'm gonna go connect my adapter, and we're going to boost this bad boy up, see how it goes. Even though I just cut into the wire with a pair of scissors and it was in the socket board, I highly recommend never ever do that, because that's stupid. Do not do what I just did ever in your life. Okay, so we finally got everything connected, and as you can see, that's in. And if we look at the back, you can actually see that there's a orange LED light showing, which means that it's charging pretty much. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to let this fully charge, because I want to use it portably. And since we're actually on the topic of charging, if we look at the back with the case actually closed, or the lid if you prefer that, then you can actually still see the LED charging. So if you open it as well, and you can actually see that's charging here. Alrighty, so I have finally installed a game called Duty Cold War, and pretty much I'm playing it right now currently as we speak. I'm just pretty much playing zombies, and I'm around 5 or 6, something like that. And as you can probably hear it, the fans are extremely loud right now. I'm going to take you closer to the actual computer, so you might be able to hear it. So let's hope you do, so you can kind of understand what I mean by how loud it gets. But I definitely recommend you to get some noise cancelling headphones, as when you're actually playing the game, you can't actually hear the fans, all you hear is the game. But if you play the game and you haven't got any sound cancelling earphones or anything like that, then you're definitely going to hear the fans as well as your game. So I recommend headphones, highly recommend. So with Call of Duty Cold War running at about medium to high settings, we're getting an average of between 60 to 70 FPS. This is in the game menu, and this is in the actual game. So as you can see, I'm on round 6, and the screen actually looks very good. I'm actually very impressed. Unfortunately, right now I can't get to 144 Hertz, but I want to try and get this game optimized to that. However, the sound of the actual keyboard, if you listen, it's actually pretty loud. And keyboard, it's warm, but it's not that bad. And up here, definitely don't touch up here. If you hold for like 2-3 seconds, then you will actually burn your finger, because that's what I did before. And yeah, so up here, just don't touch it. And the keyboard, it's a nice keyboard, but I don't like how you have a whole wrist set here. I like my hand being like this, not really like this. However, that's a laptop, that's pretty much how it is. So if you're actually interested in this laptop, then it's a good laptop, and the screen so far is amazing. I've done some editing, done some gaming, normal social media stuff, and yeah, the FPS for running this game is at least above 60, which is good, and the screen looks phenomenal, as well as the graphics settings are good, and I can't really play because I'm currently being killed by gas. Definitely gets hot up here, probably like maybe 70-80 degrees. It's very hot, so don't touch it. And remember, if you do end up purchasing this, definitely buy some noise cancelling headphones. These are the Sony WH-1000s, I believe, but I have a video on them. I forgot what they're called, but they're amazing. Or you can get something like that's built for gaming, such as the Hyper 3X Cloud 2s, and both are pretty much good. I'll leave both of them linked in the description, as well as the actual laptop. One more thing that I find a little bit silly about this setup is that you got the headphone jack right here, however you got two USB-C ports here, right? And right here I have a dongle, right, that is required for my HyperX Fury headphones. However, I cannot plug in other headphones as well as this, so I can't multitask. Or if I need to, like right now, I need to actually get the SD card from here and put it into my laptop, but this does not have a HD card reader. So what I need to do is I need to take this out, put this in, put my card in, transfer everything, take this back out, then actually put this back in, and I can't multitask, so that's a bit of a pain, but another little drawback. So currently this is the way I have to have it set up. However, the problem is I cannot get to my Ethernet port, nor can I get to my other USB 3.0 port. So yes, I can use them, but I don't like to cover up my ports that I have available to me. So if I could switch things, I would have the audio jack and the charger either at the back here or just behind the screen and charge that way, or I would have it on the other side where it's just completely out of the way. So it's a little drawback, but compromises happen with laptops. So if you guys got any questions about this laptop or what my opinions are regarding anything, feel free to actually comment down below and I'll 100% get back to you. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, review and first impressions of the laptop. And once again, I will also be making a dedicated channel for benchmarking this particular laptop, since I will have this laptop for maybe next half a year to a year, and we'll just see how it goes. But other than that, like, subscribe to the channel. This is BlazeTech. I'm out. Bye.